plant the right hand, left arm reach up, belly button to the spine. Lower it down, push the mat away, swivel on the back toe if you had planted the heel down, and see if you can slide the left leg all the way back. Three-legged dog, 5 pulses. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower it down. Tiptoe your feet to the middle of the mat. Bring your feet wide, like we're in a wide leg forward fold. And then reach the hands forward. Melt the chest down. This one to me is like a combination of a wide leg forward fold and puppy pose. And breathe slow and steady. Let the body melt. Option to stay right here if you want to play with an arm balance. I can't remember what this one is called right now, but as the left hand is planted, start to widen your side split. Right hand is supporting us. We're finding a comfortable spot on our, like around our hip bone, where we can find a balancing point. And then see if you can bring the legs into diamond. Come out of it, switch to the other side. So right hand is planted, and deepen my side split. Support myself on that right elbow, slide legs together, diamond, and release. Come back, extend both arms, come back to our wide leg puppy. I'm just gonna start calling this one that. And coming up, this is where we're going to play around with some challenging things. So again, if you're not feeling it today, or if it's not in your practice, find a stretch that your body wants or needs. My go-to is always a straddle stretch, but maybe it's butterfly, maybe it's a hip stretch, pigeon, figure 4, whatever it is. For everyone else, we're going to, from our downward facing dog, transition into an Ekapada Kundanyasana 2. Left leg comes up. Shift forward, gaze shifts forward, left knee comes to left elbow as we make a shelf. Extend through the left leg as we pick up the right leg. Bend through the right leg, lower onto the right hip, and come to a hip stretch in between sides. So full pigeon, left shin is stacked on top of the right. You can stay sitting upright if you feel enough of a stretch, or start to fold forward. Slow your breath. So you can give yourself some wrist love right now as well. We're going to do the other side. So lift ourselves back up. And no fancy transition, just work our way back to our downward facing dog. Right leg comes up. Bend through the right leg as you shift forward into plank. Bend through the elbows, creating a shelf so the right leg can settle onto it. Extend through the right leg, shift the weight forward so you can pick up the left leg, and then bend through the left leg, sitting down, right shin on top of the left this time. Hip stretch on the other side. Stay upright or fold forward.
Exhale free. This is where I'm meant to be. Inhale strength. Exhale grace. Peace surrounds the sacred space.
Slowly come back up. back into our downward facing dog. We're going to play around with chin stand now. And then I'm going to add something onto it, something I've never done before, but I saw it and I want to try it, so why not experiment during a class?